ForgeRock Access Management is a powerful enterprise grade solution that provides comprehensive identity and access management capabilities designed to secure applications, systems, and services. It ensures users gain access to the right resources at the right time while keeping your organization protected. In the current digital age, robust IAM tools like ForgeRock are critical for businesses striving to enhance security, improve user experience, and comply with data regulations. So, in this beginner friendly guide, we will walk you through ForgeRock Access Management, highlighting its core features, benefits, and how it simplifies access control and identity governance. Whether you're a security professional or an IT admin, understanding ForgeRock can help you optimize your organization's security and ensure seamless access for users. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the single sign on or SSO. So, ForgeRock enables secure and seamless access to multiple applications with a single login credential. Its SSO feature integrates easily with various systems, simplifying authentication processes across the organization. This reduces the need for multiple passwords, enhances security by minimizing weak credentials, and improves user satisfaction with quicker access. Another key feature is the adaptive authentication. This feature leverages contextual data such as user behavior and location to access risks and adjust authentication methods accordingly. It supports multi factor authentication, or MFA, for added security. This provides stronger protection against unauthorized access and ensures a balance between security and convenience for users. Another key feature is the centralized access control. ForgeRock allows administrators to manage access policies from a single, centralized platform. This makes it easy to define who can access what resources and under what conditions. This simplifies policy management, ensures consistent enforcement across all applications, and reduces administrative overhead. Another key feature is the identity federation. So ForgeRock supports identity federation, enabling users to access services across organizational boundaries without needing separate credentials. This is particularly useful for partnerships and multi organization collaboration. This enhances operational efficiency and user experience by providing streamlined access across diverse systems. Another key feature is the API security. With ForgeRock, organizations can secure APIs against unauthorized access, ensuring that data shared through APIs remains protected. This is crucial for modern applications that rely on extensive API integration. So this safeguards sensitive data and prevents misuse of APIs while maintaining performance and accessibility. Another key feature is the scalability and flexibility. So, built with scalability in mind, ForgeRock can handle the growing demands of businesses, whether it's expanding user bases, adding new applications, or integrating with emerging technologies. This future proofs your IAM strategy and ensures seamless growth as your organization evolves. So, why is ForgeRock a great choice? ForgeRock stands out as a market leader in access management for its robust capabilities and user centric approach. Its modular and flexible architecture allows businesses to customize solutions to meet unique needs. Additionally, it focuses on security, compliance, and user experience, ensures that it addresses the most critical challenges faced by modern organizations. ForgeRock's open standards and integration friendly design make it an ideal choice for businesses seeking to unify identity and access management across diverse systems. With support for advanced technologies like AI and machine learning, it also positions businesses to adapt to the rapidly evolving digital landscape. So basically, ForgeRock Access Management offers a powerful suite of tools for securing and managing access to your organization's resources, from adaptive authentication and centralized access control to seamless API security and identity federation. ForgeRock provides comprehensive solutions that align with the needs of modern businesses. Its scalability ensures that it can grow alongside your organization, while its focus on user experience enhances productivity and satisfaction. So, adopting ForgeRock Access Management not only strengthens your security posture, but also streamlines access for users, creating a frictionless experience that aligns with business goals. For organizations aiming to stay ahead in the digital age, ForgeRock is a reliable and forward thinking partner in identity and access management. So if you need more information about ForgeRock Access Management, you can always visit their websites right here to explore more of its capabilities and features. So you'll see a bunch of different features right here that I haven't mentioned. And from here, also, you can always register for an account and explore how the system works. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.